Smart salespeople are always looking for new ways to drive sales. To do that, we must be master communicators. In sales tip number 12, I'm going to share with you 3 words that have helped me best understand my clients' needs. I'm Pro Sales Guy Dave Warawa.
Sales Tips with Pro Sales Guy Dave Warawa. Like, subscribe, and set your notifications to all.
Having a full understanding of your client's needs is the key to making more sales. Always remember, solution selling comes before product selling. To create a great solution, you must ask great questions to understand your client's problems. Knowing the extent of your buyer's challenges leads to finding their motivators to take action. Now, here's the reality. Not all clients are great communicators, especially when sharing private and confidential information on their situation. There are 3 words that have incredible power in getting buyers to open up and share their feelings. Tell me more. These words have always been my favorite way of getting even the tightest-lipped buyers to share more information. Let's give you some examples. Here's a typical sales scenario. Salesperson says, "What do you like about your current car?" Customer says, "We've had our Honda Civic for 5 years now. It's been a great car, very reliable, great on gas, but with a new baby on the way, it's not going to work." Salesperson says, "Tell me more." Customer reply, "We need something with more room and better access for a car seat and hauling stuff, but we still want the same reliability and good mileage." In this example, "tell me more" resulted in getting more information than just "we need more room." This customer still wants reliability and mileage to be the features of their new purchase. Here's another example. Salesperson, "It seems like you're not very happy with your current supplier." Client, "No, not at all." Salesperson, "Tell me more." Client, "Well, they were great when we started out with them. Then the salesperson left and we keep getting a new one every few months and I have to train them all over again." Here we find out that the buyer is tired of new reps being assigned to their account and having to start all over again training them. This is a very common problem in the sales world. Why does Tell Me More work so well? Because it gives the buyer the option of choosing what's most important to reveal in their opinion. That tends to be the most emotional need that they have moving forward. Once you know that, your chances of making a sale are so much greater. Tell Me More leads to understanding the true desires of the buyer by giving them what they want. It's almost like they're telling you how to close them. Without using those 3 words, you may have to ask many different questions and still not find the true motivator to close a sale. Tell Me More is a door opener that should lead to better questions to find true needs. Let's continue with the second example to show you. Salesperson, "Has your current supplier gone through a lot of reps with you?" Client, "We've had 3 salespeople in the last year, and each time they keep asking me the same questions. It's not my job to train them on my needs." Salesperson, "I'm sure you'd rather focus on other areas internally to be more successful." Client's response, "Of course. How is your company any better?" Your response, "Well, I've been with the company for 5 years, and I'm always looking for great clients. The company's great to work for. I really enjoy them. I couldn't imagine leaving. We sell a great product. I'd be happy to put you in touch with some of my clients." Can you see the power of Tell Me More? It's neither an open-ended or closed-ended question, yet it results in buyers sharing confidential information and then trusting you based on your response. This kind of down-to-earth sincerity is what every buyer wants in his relationship with a salesperson. It's like they're saying, "Do you understand me? Do you get it?" I encourage you, try it out at your next client meeting. Tell me how it works for you. Next week, we'll tackle an issue that's important to every professional salesperson who wants to get things done. It'll be a 2-part series on my 10 sales tips for better time management. Subscribe and don't miss out.